Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, you must enable system protection on this drive. System restore error, fix Windows 11, 10. Troubleshoot, command prompt. Type BcdEdit. Find your Windows installation drive, in my case Windows installation drive is D drive. Type net space, start, space, VSS. Type rstrui.exe space, /offline :d /Windows equal to active. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.